Greetings, class. I wanted to come to you and just show you how to use ARC for your future reference. This does not mean that those of you who have already turned something in for your 3-minute elevator speech, if you've already turned in a PowerPoint with a speech, then you are good to go. If you've already turned in a PowerPoint and it's voiced over, you are good to go. If you turned in a PowerPoint and you don't have any voice on there, you need to add voice, okay? You do not have to use ARC today, although it is the preferred method per the instructions. So you probably want to learn this method as I'm showing you today, okay? I'm coming to you through a program called Screencast-O-Matic, which is actually the same program that we're going to go into in just a second, okay? So if you'll see everything here in Screencast-O-Matic, everything that's on my screen, you can see, and I'm recording it. So this is how you would do it. So I'm in the home page now, and I'm going to go to the ARC program. Before I do that, I want you to know that there are some videos there that are already made by students in your class. They followed the instructions and they were able to complete the task. And so thank you to them. And when I show you this, it doesn't mean that any of those people have to do anything again. They're all set to go. But so here you click on ARC. And what I see as a professor there is your speech, okay? I see your elevator speech. And some of you I see you, and some of you I see your PowerPoints. Some of you I see you in the corner. But I'm going to push here. I'm going to go up here. In order to make a video here, you push record. Okay. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to push screen capture for this purpose because you want it to capture your whole screen. Okay. And you're probably going to see something that comes up before this that asks you to download the screen, and you'll go ahead and do that. So that's a piece of the process that you may see up there, and you'll go ahead and do that. So I want this to capture my whole screen of what happens in this frame. Now, I'm not going to record it because it'll record over my recording, so I'm not going to put that right now. But let's just say that I wanted it to capture a PowerPoint. So I'm going to go down here. You can almost barely see it. I'll show you. I'm going to go right down here, and I'm going to click on my PowerPoint. So now you should be able to see my PowerPoint. Now, if I want it to get a bigger piece of the screen, I'm going to stretch it out like that, okay, in ARC, okay? This is my test, all right? So I'm going to get out of this one now and go back to where we were. Okay, so I clicked off of my PowerPoint there. But all I wanted you to see was where to go. You push record. Now when you come over here, you're going to have the option of the screen or the webcam, which you can see me there, or both. Now, it'd be great if you could put both on there, because then you see me down here in the corner. It's kind of not easy to see, but down here in the corner, you can see that my face will show, and then behind me, you'll see my presentation. So let me go back and get that presentation for you again. Okay, so I'm going to get my presentation, and now you can see my little face down here in the corner of the presentation. And that's the best way, or you could also show me your face really big, okay? Either way, I need to see your face and your PowerPoint, if at all possible. If not, just record over your PowerPoint, and that will be okay. So again, just to give you the rundown, you come over here to ARC, you click on ARC, you go over here, you push record. It's going to ask you what you want to do. Probably shouldn't have done that twice, but I did. We'll see what happens. It's taking long. Okay, so it's going to ask you if you want to download the application, and you do. You're going to be using ARC probably in the future again in other classes. So go ahead and get that application on your screen, and it should, after you do that, pop right up every time you want to do record. And again, you can have your screen. So if I just want to have my screen and not my face on there, just me, which is the webcam, or both. So whichever way you decide, know that that's a great try. I always appreciate students who will try to think outside the box and do something a little bit new. I'm going to go back to our home page. Again, thank you for listening. It's been a great semester. I hope that you have enjoyed the class, and thank you very much.